What's up, everybody? Bubba D's here, and we are back at it again. If you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and let's get started. Today we are making vegetable fried rice, and of course we're going to need 1 cup of long grain white rice, 3 tablespoons of canola oil, 1/4 cup of soy sauce. You can go with low sodium or just regular, 1 egg, which we will beat later on, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil, and of course we'll need some water. We'll go with 1.5 cups of water and some vegetables. So first, we're gonna go ahead and put our 1 cup of long grain white rice inside the Instapot. We're gonna add in our 1.5 cups of water, and we're gonna seal our Instapot lid up, make sure the valve is always closed, and we're gonna do it on high pressure for 5 minutes and let it sit for 10 minutes and do a natural release. We'll open that up, and there we have it. Our rice is completely done. You'll see that it's not sticking to the pot. It's a little bit undercooked, but that's exactly how we want it when we're doing our vegetable fried rice. We'll go ahead and empty all that rice into a separate bowl. You can wipe clean your Instapot. And then what you want to do is you want to start by turning on the Saute button to get it nice and hot as we take our 1 egg and we beat it. Now that our Instapot is nice and hot, we'll go ahead and put in our oil. And then from there, we'll put in our egg. We're gonna scramble it up while it's actually in the Instapot. Now you can go ahead and completely remove eggs if it's not your thing, but in fried rice, you can barely taste it. Go ahead and put your rice back into the Instapot, stir it around, and we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oils. This gives it an amazing flavor. Go ahead and add in our frozen vegetables. You can go with smaller minced vegetables, but I like the larger, chunkier ones, so I'm putting in full-size vegetables. And then 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Once again, you can go with low sodium or you can go with regular. Give it a mix, and there you have it. We are done. Quick and simple vegetable fried rice. Now, if you guys haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be launching something called the 2-Minute Babble, featuring myself and just kind of going through some random things like what we like to talk about. Food will always be on the topic. Thank you guys for watching. Talk to you soon and have yourself a good day.